Are up on the stage from the very first game that I officiated.
Most of us, other than Jesse, Laura, and Ingrid.
And the ones that aren't original members, how long have they been with you?
Yeah, this was just my second season. So
You were
I was
three
used to winning. It was tough to lose. It really
You were a
humbles
free
you.
agent, they picked you up on waivers, they went online, that's where they found you?
Everyone was found through, Melissa was good friends with Jesse, Ingrid through Molly, and Laura through Molly, actually. So it was all just friends. And it was because we had lost players. Milo Nori, who was on our team, hurt her foot, and Ali Stoltz got married and went to travel the world, and Tara moved to Boston. So it wasn't like, oh, we need good players. It was like we were down players and we need people. So it was all through friends, yeah.
Well, that's about it, ladies and gentlemen.
Seriously, thanks for coming tonight. The movie's available on CISO if you want to watch it again. It'll be available tomorrow.
That's
So you
right.
can stream it on CISO. That's right.
Check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, these are your
Sour
pretzel
Patch
shrimps,
Kids.
your filmmakers,
Sour Patch Kids.
I'd like to wish my mother a happy birthday who's here today. She's the most wonderful. I see a lot of them in her, and vice versa.
Let's hear it